In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Flow Discord Music Bot. If you'd like to add music to your Discord server, Flow Music Bot provides an easy way to play songs directly in your voice channels using slash commands. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through inviting the bot, joining a voice channel, using the essential music commands, organizing a dedicated command channel, and checking a few common issues if the bot doesn't work as expected. By the end of this guide, you'll have Flow ready to play music for your server. To begin, visit the official Flow bot invite page or its listing on a trusted bot directory. From there, click the invite button to start adding the bot to your Discord server. You'll be asked to choose the server where you'd like Flow to be added. Select the appropriate server and review the requested permissions. The default permissions are suitable for most servers, so you can continue by authorizing the bot. Keep in mind that you'll need the Manage Server permission to add bots. If your server doesn't appear in the list, you'll need to ask a server administrator to complete the invitation. Once Flow has been added successfully, return to your Discord server and join the voice channel where you want music to play. Flow only begins playback after you're connected to a voice channel, so simply joining the channel is enough. Your microphone doesn't need to be active for the bot to work. Now you're ready to use Flow's slash commands. Unlike some other music bots, Flow doesn't use traditional prefix commands. Instead, everything is handled through Discord's slash command system. In any text channel, type the play slash command, then either paste a supported music link or enter the name of the song you'd like to hear. Flow supports searches using popular music services as well as song titles. Once you submit the command, the bot will automatically join your current voice channel and begin playing the selected track. Remember, if you aren't connected to a voice channel first, the command won't function as intended. Flow also includes several useful playback controls. You can use the available slash commands to play songs, pause and resume playback, skip to the next track, view the current queue, stop the music and disconnect the bot, repeat songs or playlists using loop, and adjust the playback volume whenever needed. To keep your server organized, consider creating a dedicated text channel for music commands. Give it a clear name such as Music Commands, then configure the channel permissions so members primarily use it for controlling the bot. This helps keep music-related commands separate from your general conversations. If Flow isn't playing music, check that you're connected to a voice channel, verify that the bot has permission to connect and speak in that channel, and make sure the voice channel isn't full. Once those requirements are met, try running your music command again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.